In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access blocked adult websites on your iPhone. Before we get started, I want to note that this video is only for educational purposes and it's only intended for people that are 18 years old or older. So if you are under 18, I recommend you click off this video now. It's also important to note that you should abide by your local laws and regulations. The first thing we need to do is to download a VPN to our iPhone. So to do this, we first need to open the App Store. Then you want to click on the search icon in the bottom right, and then you want to search for a VPN of your choice. For this example, we're using NordVPN. Once you found it, it should be the top result, which will look like this, and then you want to go ahead and click on the Get button. However, mine shows the Cloud button because I've downloaded this in the past. Once you've downloaded the VPN, we can exit out of the App Store, and then you want to go ahead and open it up. When you open it for the first time, you'll be taken to this privacy screen, so you want to read through this information, and once you're ready, you want to select one of these options. Now you'll be taken to the login screen, where you want to go ahead and log into your Nord account. However, if you don't have one, I recommend scan the QR code on screen, or click on the link in the description where you can get yourself up to 82% off your NordVPN account. Once you've signed into your NordVPN account, we can go ahead and start using it. So for this example, we need to connect to a country where adult websites are not restricted or banned. So for this example, I'm going to connect to Germany. So we're going to drag up and drag up again, and you want to go ahead and find a German server. Alternatively, you can search using the top of the application. So once we've found Germany, we're going to select it. And because it's our first time, we need to set up permission. So we're going to select Got it. And then you want to select Allow. Now you need to go ahead and enter in your iPhone passcode. And once we've done this, we'll be taken back to NordVPN, and we want to go ahead and connect to the server again. So again, we're going to select Germany. And then after a couple of seconds, we'll be connected to a German server, so we're browsing the internet as if we are from Germany. If you are from the United States, then I recommend connecting to a state instead. So now we've done this, we can exit out of NordVPN, and then you want to go ahead and open your web browser, and then you want to go ahead and open the adult website of your choice. And I recommend using private browsing or incognito mode. So as you can see, we have successfully connected to the website, so we want to select I am 18 or older. And now we can go ahead and start using it just as we normally would. And that's it, so remember to scan the QR code or use the link in the description of this video to get up to 82% off your NordVPN account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.